The recent announcement from the UK Home Office regarding changes to biometric residence permits (BRPs) and the closure of the e-visa registration portal has sent shockwaves through communities across the nation. As of October 31, 2024, British citizens and residents may face significant challenges in securing their rights to remain in the UK. This decision raises crucial questions about the future of immigration policy and individual rights. Before we dive into the details, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Now close pay attention. The Home Office has declared that it will no longer grant new biometric residence permits, effectively halting the issuance of BRPs. This decision impacts various essential documents including biometric residence permits (BRP), biometric residence cards (BRC), passport endorsements like indefinite leave to enter wet ink stamps, and vignette stickers in passports, including entry clearance or visa vignettes. With the closure of the BRP replacement service, individuals who do not already possess these documents will find it increasingly difficult to navigate the immigration landscape. For many, the BRP has been vital for accessing essential services, employment, and the freedom to travel within the UK. This sudden policy shift is particularly concerning for British citizens, who may not have previously needed to secure a BRP. Now they face the prospect of losing their rights, creating a sense of urgency among those unprepared for such a significant change. The requirement to apply for a BRP to register for a UKV account and access an e-visa has heightened anxiety levels for many. Given that the BRP serves as proof of immigration status, the implications of this decision are profound. Citizens who fail to secure their status may become unable to work, access healthcare, or travel, leading to stress and uncertainty that can have lasting effects on individuals and families. Employers are also significantly affected by this policy change, especially concerning their obligations during right-to-work checks. Despite the closure of the BRP replacement service, the process for verifying an individual's immigration status remains unchanged. Employers must still request a share code to check the immigration status of individuals with an e-visa, but the absence of new BRPs complicates this process. This uncertainty could create challenges in workforce management, particularly in sectors reliant on a diverse labor pool. Employers may struggle to confirm the status of their employees, leading to potential legal repercussions if they inadvertently hire individuals without the right to work. The decision to halt BRP issuance and close the e-visa registration portal comes at a time when immigration policy is a hotly debated topic in the UK. Many citizens have expressed concerns about the impact of these changes on social cohesion, economic stability, and individual rights. Critics argue that these measures reflect a broader trend toward tightening immigration controls, disproportionately affecting vulnerable populations. As the October 31st deadline approaches, there is an urgent need for clarity from the Home Office regarding the implications of these changes. Many affected individuals are seeking guidance on how to navigate the new landscape and secure their rights. Support services, community organizations, and legal aid groups are crucial during this transitional period, offering assistance to those unfamiliar with the complexities of immigration law. It is essential for the government to communicate effectively about the rationale behind these changes and provide information on alternative pathways for securing residency and rights within the UK. Transparency in policy making is vital to alleviating fears and anxieties that citizens may be experiencing. The UK Home Office's decision to cease the issuance of biometric residence permits and close the e-visa registration portal marks a significant shift in immigration policy that poses serious challenges for British citizens and residents. As individuals navigate the complexities of securing their rights, clear communication and support from the government are crucial. In an increasingly uncertain environment, understanding and advocating for individual rights is essential. As we approach the October 31st deadline, community solidarity, legal assistance, and governmental transparency will be vital in ensuring that all who call the UK home can continue to do so with dignity and respect. The future of immigration policy in the UK must prioritise the rights and well-being of its residents, fostering an inclusive society that values diversity and human rights. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these developments in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on immigration and related topics. Take care and see you next time.